How to connect GoDaddy domain to GitHub pages in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect GoDaddy domain to GitHub pages. So for that, first of all, you have to go to GoDaddy and log into your GoDaddy account and go to your domain, the domain you are desiring to connect to GitHub. So after that, you have to configure your GitHub repository. In your GitHub repository, you have to go to settings, and for that, you have to go to GitHub and log in or sign in to your account. And after that, you have to go to settings, pages, and enter your GoDaddy domain without www in the custom domain field. And after that, you have to create a CNAME file. If you are using a custom domain, a CNAME will be created in a repository. If not, you will need to create one manually in the root of your repository and add your domain name. And after that, you have to enable HTTPS under the custom domain section in your GitHub pages setting. Check the enforce HTTPS option. And after that, you have to configure your GoDaddy DNS settings and access your DNS settings. So for that, log into your GoDaddy account, find your domain and navigate to the DNS management page and create a record that points your root domain to the GitHub pages IP address. You need to add 4 records, one of each of the following IPs as you can see. And after that, create a CNAME, a record that points www.yourdomain.com to your GitHub pages domain. And after that, you have to check DNS propagations. It may take some time for the DNS changes to propagate across the internet. You can use online tools for or the dig command in your terminal to check if your DNS records are correctly pointing to GitHub pages. And after that, you have to open your custom domain in a web browser to see if your GitHub pages site is displayed. And that's how you connect your GoDaddy domain to GitHub pages in 2025. See you in the next video.